Hi, I'm Andrew Waugh from Waugh Thistleton Architects. We do a lot of work in timber construction in our practice. Two real issues that are facing humanity globally are climate change, global warming, and population. 7 billion people, twice what it was when I was born. The only solution for that increasing population is to build denser, compact cities with tall buildings, and those buildings need to be built from timber. Trees, as they grow, they store carbon dioxide. They're storing the carbon dioxide, they're storing the carbon within the body of the timber. So they're soaking up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, and storing carbon. And then when we cut down these trees, and we use these trees in our buildings, these trees are an active carbon store. A cubic meter of timber stores a ton of carbon dioxide. Concrete is the 20th century. The century before it was all about steel. It was the Eiffel Tower, it was the Chicago skyscrapers. And you can see how that technology then moved into concrete at the beginning of the 20th century, and how now what we're doing here is taking timber into the 21st century. The temperate forests that we have at the moment, whether they're in North America, in Canada, Scandinavia, they're all growing, they're increasing in size at the moment. So we have this fantastic replenishable natural resource that we can use to build our buildings with, to build our cities with. Even outside of the environmental issues, outside of the sustainability issues, it's fantastic material to build with. We're just at the start of using timber in the UK, but look how inspirational it can be. From housing developments like Alison Brooks's New Hall at Harlow, or Shepherd Robson's development at Barking Riverside, to apartment blocks such as these 6-storey timber frame flats by Taylor Wimpey in Runcorn, or my own 9-storey building in Murray Grove, East London, constructed entirely of cross-laminated timber panels. We got to 9 stories, the tallest residential timber building in the world. From schools such as BDP's Abraham Darby Sports and Learning Project, and university buildings such as Tim Ronald's Collier Ferguson Music Hall in Canterbury, a really beautiful building. And student accommodation, like GWP's project at Bradford University. From huge retail spaces such as Marks & Spencer's new superstore at Cheshire Oaks, and public buildings like Niall McLaughlin's Bishop Edward King Chapel in Oxford, and the stunning Wilkinson Ayres Mary Rose Museum in Portsmouth. In the UK, we're leading the world. You know, we are producing at the moment the most exciting, the most interesting, the most revolutionary timber buildings in the whole world. It's right out there and it's on our doorsteps.